Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin inside the Reminders app, open it and choose an existing list or create a new one. Tap New List, name it, pick a color and icon so items stay organized. Once done, tap plus New Reminder and type a clear title, then add notes if you need context. Make sure to assign the reminder to the correct list so it appears where you expect. This prevents mixed or lost tasks as you continue setting details. Now you'll fine-tune the reminder's triggers and metadata. Tap the reminder to open details, then enable date and time or location alerts so you get notified at the right moment or place. Use repeat for daily, weekly, or custom intervals if it's recurring. Add priority and subtasks to break larger items down, and attach a photo, file, or URL if that helps. These extras make the reminder actionable and reduce follow-up friction. Finish by organizing and sharing. Move items between lists or create smart lists to surface today and scheduled tasks automatically. Tap the menu to share a list with others so you can collaborate on errands or projects. Make sure notifications are enabled for reminders in settings and that focus modes aren't silencing alerts. If reminders don't appear, verify iCloud syncing and restart the app. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.